Now we got the lights turned off too, so you can see the fan and how everything looks. Again, I can't stress enough how good the RGB lights look on this fan. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Cooler Master MasterFan SF120M. I did receive this product to review, but any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice retail box and packaging right here. Check it out. We can open it up and you can learn more about this fan. So it does have 3 different fan speed control options. We have basically an extreme performance mode, a performance mode, and then a silent cooling mode. Addressable RGBs as well. Now let's open it up and look at the contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, you can see we have our user guide and manual walking us through all the included contents as well as installation instructions. So you can see how to connect the fan, how to get the fan installed and fastened in place with the included screws. And we have our speed setting adjustments as well between low, medium, and high. You can see our screw kit and cover right here. And we have our nice installation guides. So we can just feed these through the fan like so, and then just pull it in. And now we're ready to get it installed in our case. So we'll place it in our case, and then we'll get our screws fastened right there. Now let's go ahead, let's get it installed. So take a look at our master fan installed and powered on. I love the RGB lights of this fan. It looks great and it's very quiet. We have nice airflow coming out here. Again, we have the 3 different settings. Ours is currently to the medium setting. Very, very pleased with the performance and how quiet this fan is. Now we got the lights turned off too, so you can see the fan and how everything looks. Again, I can't stress enough how good the RGB lights look on this fan. Overall, I'm really glad that I put this fan in this case. It definitely increased the build quality drastically to have our exhaust fan have some cool RGBs as well. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.